everyone, it's Laura Laws. Welcome to my video about what is in my Loungefly. I've recently become quite the Loungefly collector, and we are about 10 days away from our Disney trip. So I am getting my Loungefly ready, and I thought I'd do a whole video just on what I'm packing. I've added a few new things. One of them, I'm not sure how I feel about it. So if you are a Disney fan and you take a Loungefly, stay tuned and I will show you what is in my Loungefly. This is one of my favorite Loungeflies, and I'm gonna be taking this to Magic Kingdom, which I think is our first day of this trip. I've used it once when I went to Dutch Wonderland, and that's it. I got it off Amazon. I'll put a link below. I absolutely love it. I think it's so stylish. I love the sequins and the bright red bow. And then my beautiful ears, which I haven't worn yet in the parks. I love these two together. So let's jump into it. The first thing that I got that I've never done before are ear holders. So this has like a little hook that clips on and off. And I actually think I'm gonna take all this stuff off that came with it because it's a little too jangly. So the other one was, I don't know what they're called, like the key rings that are just gonna like mess up your nails and be a pain in the butt. But this would be easy to go back and forth from Loungefly to Loungefly. And it was a shorter one where other ones were a longer one. And then other ones had like a sliding thing. So I bought one, didn't like it, so I got this one. I'll link it below. I don't remember the name, but it was an Etsy shop. So the way it works is it goes on there, and then for rides, shows, you snap it in, and there it is, right on your Loungefly and out of the way. So I'm very excited about that. I think that is awesome. I only actually have 2 pairs of ears. I have a big head and it can give me a headache and bother me, but I think if you're at Magic Kingdom, you like ears, you should definitely rock them in the Magic Kingdom. Okay, so one thing I do, the phone slides right here in the side pockets. Very few of them, but I think maybe just one or no, 2 of them, maybe 3 don't have the side pockets. And then look at this on my phone. How cute is that? I got that, it was on sale at Shop Disney, and it like sparkles, the pop socket. So the other thing that I got that's different, and I'm not sure how I feel about it, is a bag insert. And I got the first one off of Amazon, and it was way too big, and I found one off of Etsy. But, so I'll show you that. I'm not sure, I'm gonna try it out, see if I like it at the parks, but I feel like it might limit the area, but it does keep it organized. So the way I organize it, I have a 4-year-old daughter, we have a stroller, and we have a stroller bag, which is a big Pottery Barn Disney Princess backpack. And I put all things in there that are not valuable. So extra outfit, wipes, extra diapers, I'm trying to think what else. Sanitary wipes, anything, oh, raincoats. So anything that's not valuable will go in the, I call it the stroller bag, and then everything that I need and use a lot or valuable or things I need to go into the restaurants, and that stays outside in the stroller. The other bag I put in here. So in the front pocket, not all of them have front pockets, but most of them do, the Loungeflies. Advil. This, I have 2 of these, but I haven't been able to find my mini one. I had a Tiki Room little Loungefly wallet, and this is all you need at Disney because you use your Magic Band for so many things, so it's good for ID and a couple credit cards. And then I love Burt's Bees lip gloss, and then that one's tinted, and this is just a lip balm. And then, oh, you know what I need to put in here is a Band-Aid. My daughter fell and cut her chin. We're at Disney Springs and they don't have a first aid. Luckily, my sister-in-law had a Band-Aid for her. So I do want to put a Band-Aid in here. and then just like a little bow and hair tie for my daughter. So in the main compartment, so this will probably stay in the other stroller bag, but it's something that I'll either carry or throw in my Loungefly when we go into restaurants. And I actually made these, you can check out her 4th birthday party prep, which I will link below, but I made these as party favors. She decided to draw on hers the other day. Thank you, Landon. But I used my Cricut. So spiral notebook, which is my favorite. I talked about this a lot because it stays open really easily. And then triangle crayons for they're anti-roll. So this is just really good. Oh wait, usually I put stickers in here too from the dollar store, but she must have pulled these out the other day. So this always goes with us to every restaurant, and definitely Disney restaurants, because you would think they would all have crayons, but they always, I guess with COVID maybe, like they don't always have it. This is something new. It is, I love Charlotte Tilbury. So I got, this is a setting spray. I think it says like 16 hours. I haven't tried it. You're supposed to put it on before and after you apply your makeup. And then we'll be there in July. So that is, yeah, very sweaty time to be going. Speaking of makeup, the other thing I bring is an Eco Tools makeup brush. So I think it was like 2 years ago, I have this wonderful picture in front of the castle. Like Landon nailed it. She was 2 years old and I am an oily, sweaty mess because we were there and it was so hot. I was like, yeah, maybe for pictures later in the day, I should bring this, especially because I'm vlogging. So this other is, I think it's only in Sephora, and I love this powder. It's the Charlotte Tilbury, what is it called? Airbrush or something? Just the powder I use. So they had a little mini one, but it was only available at Sephora when I got it. Sunglass case holder for when we go into restaurants. I use prescription sunglasses, so that is in there. Sanitary wipes. I use these to wipe down toilets before we go potty and wipe down tables and just things in general. Disposable bib I still use, especially if she's wearing like a beautiful princess costume. This I really like a lot. It's a lotion and a hand sanitizer from Vaseline in one that I got from Target. Then water wipes, they're these are hard to find actually. I think there's a shortage of them, but they're in the travel section at Target. Oh, something I forgot, the camera that I'm filming on also goes in here. A portable charger for my phone. I'm actually not on my phone very often, and a lot of times I will leave this in my stroller organizer, but it fits in here pretty good with the bag organizer. During dinner, if dinner's taking too long and coloring and food is not keeping her sane, what I do instead of bringing a Kindle or iPad in for her into the parks because it's so big, is that I bring these, and I have 2 pairs. So these are headphones and then a converter for my phone. So she can watch a movie on my phone. I have things downloaded for emergencies. Luckily, she's pretty good. I don't have to use them very often, knock on wood. But this is a soft headband, and I like it just because it folds up so tiny. Doesn't take as much room as the big headphones. And then the other thing this doubles as is she just turned 4. We were just there in February, and she was still afraid of fireworks. So I put on something for her to watch so she wouldn't be scared while we were waiting for the fireworks. And then she eased into the fireworks, and she watched the fireworks with the movie off, but she kept the headphones on. So that's something else that I'm gonna be using that for. And then I have a little zipper compartment in my Loungefly organizer. So I have a battery pack and an extra SD card for vlogging. And then I have anti-anxiety meds. And I think I've probably taken these twice in the past year, but I always keep them on me because I had a panic attack last year. and I hadn't had one in so long, and it just gives me peace of mind that I have these on me if for some reason I'm triggered by something. Hi, Taggy. I think that's it, guys. That's all that's in my Loungefly. Maybe what I'll do, hi buddy. So what I'll do is in my packing video, which I'll try to get up before we leave, but it might be after, I will share with you what I plan on putting in my stroller bag and my stroller organizer as well. So let's see if you can see it. So this is how the organizer fits. It fits really well. So it has like a pocket here, lots of dividers here, and then a zippered area here. The idea is that I'm gonna be bringing a couple Loungefly because we are driving. So I could easily like leave stuff in there and take it out. It's kind of like the idea. The only negative is that I feel like maybe all of these dividers might make it hard to get into the Loungefly. So I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you know if I like it. And this is also an Etsy shop. And I'm very happy with it. It has a pocket in the back, a bunch of dividers, and then a little zipper pocket there. And I think it's kind of I like the white so you can see in there. And then it's, I think it goes with sort of any Loungefly. So that is everything that I keep in my Loungefly. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and be sure to stay tuned for my epic packing video. It's gonna be a big one because we're going on a 2-week trip with 5 nights, 6 days at Animal Kingdom Lodge at Disney. We are so excited. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. You can check out my Loungefly playlist, which I will put below and at the end of this video. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.